नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn the estimation of ketone bodies in a given sample of urine. This test is also known as Rothera's test. Aim: to detect the presence of ketone bodies in the given urine sample. Requirements for this experiment are test tube, test tube holder, a dropper, a stirrer, sample of urine, and reagents, which are ammonium sulfate, sodium nitroprusside, and liquid ammonia. Now principle: ketone bodies present in the urine form a purple ring when react with sodium nitroprusside and liquid ammonia. Procedure: take 5 ml of urine sample in a test tube. Add ammonium sulfate until it gets saturated. Now add 2 drops of sodium nitroprusside to the solution. Now add few drops of liquid ammonia to the solution with the help of a dropper, and from the side of the test tube, if ketones are present in the solution, then purple ring will form at the conjunction of the two solutions. So the procedure will be taking 5 ml of urine sample in a test tube and add ammonium sulfate and saturate it. If then after saturation is occur, then add 2 drops of sodium nitroprusside to the solution. After adding 2 drops of sodium nitroprusside, add few drops of liquid ammonia to the solution with the help of dropper and from the side of the test tube. If the ketones are present in the solution, then a purple ring will form at the conjunction of the two solutions. This is negative Rothera's test and this is positive Rothera's test. A purple ring will form at the conjunction of the two solutions. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.